Theta value equivalent to 17.6103 rands a coin. The present cost range 17.4870 to 17.8760. The earlier day close 17.6473. The change was 0.0370, 0.21%. Converse rate ZAR to Theta. Theta cost expectation for in the not so distant future and month. Theta cost forecast on Monday, May 22, cost 17.41 rands, high 18.63, low 16.19. Theta gauge on Tuesday, May 23, cost 17.99 rands, high 19.25, low 16.73. Theta cost forecast on Wednesday, May 24, cost 17.98 rands, high 19.24, low 16.72. Theta figure on Thursday, May 25, cost 18.05 rands, high 19.31, low 16.79. In multi-week Theta cost expectation on Friday, May 26, cost 17.94 rands, high 19.20, low 16.68. Theta figure on Monday, May 29, cost 18.10 rands, high 19.37, low 16.83. Theta cost expectation on Tuesday, May 30, cost 18.76 rands, high 20.07, low 17.45. Theta figure on Wednesday, May 31, cost 18.45 rands, high 19.74, low 17.16. Theta cost expectation on Thursday, June 1, cost 18.83 rands, high 20.15, low 17.51. Theta cost expectation on Monday, June 5, cost 18.01 rands, high 19.27, low 16.75. Theta figure on Tuesday, June 6, cost 17.51 rands, high 18.74, low 16.28. Theta cost forecast on Wednesday, June 7, cost 16.89 rands, high 18.07, low 15.71. Theta estimate on Thursday, June 8, cost 17.20 rands, high 18.40, low 16.00. Theta estimate on Monday, June 12, cost 17.19 rands, high 18.39, low 15.99. Theta cost forecast on Tuesday, June 13, cost 17.21 rands, high 18.41, low 16.01. Theta estimate on Wednesday, June 14, cost 17.39 rands, high 18.61, low 16.17. Theta cost forecast on Thursday, June 15, cost 16.86 rands, high 18.04, low 15.68. Theta cost forecast on Monday, June 19, cost 16.95 rands, high 18.14, low 15.76. Theta estimate on Tuesday, June 20, cost 17.17 rands, high 18.37, low 15.97. Theta value expectation for 2023, 2024, 2025, 2026, and 2027. Theta cost expectation for May 2023. At the outset cost at 18.06 rands, excessive cost 21.74, while low cost 15.53. He arrived at the midpoint of cost 18.45. Theta cost figure toward the month's end 18.45, change for May 2.2%. Theta conjecture for June 2023. Before all else cost at 18.45 rands, excessive cost 20.63, while low cost 15.39. He arrived at the midpoint of cost 18.44. Theta cost conjecture toward the month's end 19.28, change for June 4.5%. Theta cost expectation for July 2023. Before all else cost at 19.28 rands, excessive cost 20.11, while low cost 17.47. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 18.91. Theta cost conjecture toward the month's end 18.79, change for July 2.5%. Theta conjecture for August 2023. Before all else cost at 18.79 rands, excessive cost 18.79, while low cost 15.69. He arrived at the midpoint of cost 17.54. Theta cost conjecture toward the month's end 16.87, change for August 10.2%. Theta cost expectation for September 2023. In the first place cost at 16.87 rands, exorbitant cost 20.81, while low cost 16.87. They found the middle value of cost 18.50. Theta cost gauge toward the month's end 19.45, change for September 15.3%. Theta gauge for October 2023. In the first place cost at 19.45 rands, exorbitant cost 24.14, while low cost 19.45. They found the middle value of cost 21.40. Theta cost gauge toward the month's end 22.56, change for October 16.0%. Theta cost expectation for November 2023. In the first place, cost at 22.56 rands. Exorbitant cost 22.56, while low cost 17.62. The found the middle value of cost 20.42. Theta cost gauge toward the month's end 18.95, change for November 16.0%. Theta gauge for December 2023. In the first place, cost at 18.95 rands. Exorbitant cost 18.95, while low cost 14.81. The found the middle value of cost 17.16. Theta cost gauge toward the month's end 15.92, change for December 16.0%. Theta cost expectation for January 2024. First and foremost, cost at 15.92 rands. Exorbitant cost 18.67, while low cost 15.92. The found the middle value of cost 16.99. Theta cost estimate toward the month's end 17.45, change for January 9.6%. Theta estimate for February 2024. First and foremost, cost at 17.45 rands. Exorbitant cost 18.38, while low cost 15.98. The found the middle value of cost 17.25. Theta cost estimate toward the month's end 17.18, change for February 1.5%. Theta cost expectation for WAC 2024. First and foremost, cost at 17.18 rands. Exorbitant cost 17.18, while low cost 14.26. The found the middle value of cost 15.99. Theta cost estimate toward the month's end 15.33, change for spring 10.8%. Theta estimate for April 2024. First and foremost, cost at 15.33 rands. Exorbitant cost 18.70, while low cost 15.33. The found the middle value of cost 16.71. Theta cost estimate toward the month's end 17.48, change for April 14.0%. Theta cost expectation for May 2024. At the outset, cost at 17.48 rands. Excessive cost 17.48, while low cost 15.13. He arrived at the midpoint of cost 16.59. Theta cost conjecture toward the month's end 16.27. Change for May 6.9%. ZAR to Theta conversion standard equivalent to 0.0568 coins per 1 rand. The present reach 0.0559 minus 0.0572. The earlier days nearby 0.0567. Change for now plus 0.0001 plus 0.18%. Rand to Theta gauge on Monday, May 22, cost 0.057 coins, high 0.062, low 0.054. ZAR to Theta forecast on Tuesday, May 23, cost 0.056 coins, high 0.060, low 0.052. Rand to Theta